Lay the sunshade out on the ground with the 3 pole pockets facing up. Insert the poles with the blue tips into the pole pockets with the longest pole in the center. Close the Velcro tab at the end to hold the pole in place. Flip the sunshade over. Connect the pole sections to create the front of the sunshade. The pole will then slide into the pole pocket on the ends, Velcro closed. Zip the pole into the sunshade. Attach the sunshade zipper to the zipper on the Gybe and zip the sunshade completely along the curve of the tent opening. Run the Velcro straps on the bottom of the sunshade through the metal brackets found on the tent legs.